Previously on Dad Hut's YouTube channel.
No, dude. F me. There goes my time. This is so fucking stupid. One lap left, dude. Oh my lord.
Let's pick back up where we left off at the start of session 3. Let's see if we can avoid all the traffic and see if we can break into the 27s this time.
They make you wear these fucking earpieces, and it's impossible to keep in my ear, I swear. Hurts so bad right now.
Alright, so we are about 2 laps in here, and we just clocked a 128.3, which is about on par with what I've been doing in the previous session. There's a few key areas where I need to improve, and most of it I just need to keep the same, but again, there's a handful of corners I can shave a bunch of tenths on. So let's see what we can do. The exit of this next corner. These slow speed corners I've mentioned before in other videos are my absolute enemy, but I think I did a really good job keeping it smooth and being able to get that traction without spinning out or anything dramatic.
Did I screw that last corner up? Damn.
So I still have a good bit to improve on, but that's a great baseline. We did dip into the 27s finally, and we do have Scott ahead of us in the stock Integra, so let's see if we can chase him down.
Got into my 27s. Let's go.
Somehow I managed to be a bit more aggressive on the throttle there, and we gained about half a second, so we definitely take those.
Apex who? Ouch. There goes all that time. As we come into the final corner, we're about 4 tenths up, and I'm really trying to focus on my exit here. We do a pretty good job there using most of the track, and we actually finish with a 127.1, which is about 7 tenths faster than my previous lap. this point, I'm cooking, I'm feeling it. I just got the white flag, so we got 1 lap left to really put in a heater, and I'm pushing as hard as I can, as you can hear by those noises of me dying.
Oh, too slow.
As we approach the braking zone for the back straight, I am gonna not do anything particularly well, unfortunately, but I do use a lot more room on the exit. So anytime we lost, we just gain back in the exit. So it's very nice there.
Come on. 27-0. So fucking close. Dude, this place is making me want to fucking vomit. So I never talk about this because usually it's not a problem, but I get hella motion sick. Like roller coasters, can't do them. This is a roller coaster and I'm driving and I'm getting sick. I couldn't take up 2 laps around here without getting sick as a passenger. Being able to push this hard in this car is literally gonna make me vomit. I might have to call it there. Ow, my ear. Take that thing out. Ow. I'm gonna be fucking sick. I got a 27-0. Holy shit.
Awesome. Yeah, you look like you were, you know where there's a tiny bit more speed, it's just that last quarter.
I was messing it up a few times, but yeah. Dude, it was funny because you say that and I was like, oh, this is the 26, the high 26. Just barely missed it on that last corner. I lost like 2 tenths or so.
Yeah, it's brutal. Just like the track.
So the guys actually had a little leaderboard running. I think they had some form of time attack going, so I entered a little bit. I have no idea exactly what was going on. But either way, had a super great time. Apparently I finished P2 in class out of like, I don't know, 3 people. Not that it really matters either way. But I had such a blast driving Pineview Run. It's a great little track just outside of Syracuse, New York. Tight, winding, such a great track for BRZs, Miatas, that sort of thing. The long track is super great. Hopefully they get the pavement figured out. They can eliminate some of the bumps. And it's definitely a track I plan on going to again because I need to get a 126 in my car. Absolutely a requirement now that I know it's in there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.